Alright, we're starting with some high knees. Get those hands out. Knees touch the hands, springing off the toes. You got it. Keep it up. You only have 14 seconds left. Keep them up. Keep them up.
3, 2, 1, break. Ooh, how do you stay so fit? Well, you know how I stay so fit? Because I put in work like you're doing right now. So if you want to be successful, if you want to be able to eat whatever you want to eat, and you want to still be able to look good, then you got to put in the work. 3, so keep it 2, up. Let's go. 1, go.
Alright, butt kicks. Idea, get those heels to those glutes. Springing off the toes. Come on, guys. Seven seconds.
3, 2, 1, break.
Plank jacks are next. Have a sip of water. We're about to begin.
Your future depends on what you do in the present. So give your best now. 3, 2, 1, go. Round 3.
Feel that butt, feel that core. 18 seconds. Almost there.
3, 2, 1, break. Change happens when the pain of staying the same becomes greater than the pain of making a change. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Get your butt up and get moving. 3, 2, 1, go.
Burpees, everybody's favorite. Go. Jump as high as you can get without sending yourself through that ceiling.
3, 2, 1, break.
Have a sip of water. Side plank walk is next.
A lot of people say they want success. But in order to have success, you gotta put in the work. 3, 2, 1, go. Round 5.
Keep that core tight. Use those glutes to open up the legs.
Three, 2, 1, break. Ooh, how do you stay so fit? Well, you know how I stay so fit? Because I put in work like you're doing right now. So if you want to be successful, if you want to be able to eat whatever you want to eat, and you want to still be able to look good, then you got to put in the work. So 3, keep it up. 2, let's go. 1, go. Round 6.
Jump lunges. If your floor is slippery like mine, maybe you need some shoes, take off those socks, whatever you gotta do, don't fall. Try to keep the form and core nice and tight. Ribs stacked over top of the hips, guys. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1, break.
Plank saws.
Your future depends on what you do in the present. So give your best now. 3, 2, 1, go. Round 7.
Keep that core tight. Nice, smooth movement. Looks like I'm having fun with the floor.
3, 2, 1, break. Change happens when the pain of staying the same becomes greater than the pain of making a change. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Get your butt up and get moving. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, squats. Everybody knows how to squat. Hip width apart, toes can be slightly out. Squeeze those glutes. Ribs stacked over top of the hips. No arching at the back, no butt wink. Go as low as comfortably possible. Squeeze those glutes.
Three, 2, 1, break.
Get ready for round 2. Have your water. Because we're doing it all over again. This time, a little bit harder. High knees. Touch those hands. Spring off through your toes. Six seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Next up, butt kicks. You can say you kicked your own butt this workout. And go. Kick it hard. Spring off those toes. Five seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Alright, shake it off. Next up, plank jacks. Ready? And go. 30 seconds. Out and back and out and back. Feel those glutes, feel that core. Halfway mark. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break. Next up is the burpees. Have a sip of water. Ready, go. 30 seconds. Halfway point. Jump as high as you can. Aim to send yourself through that ceiling. 3, 2, 1, and break. Side plank walk is next. Get ready for it. Get in position. And go. Walking with the hands and the feet. Make sure you feel the glutes engage as you're opening up. Nice and easy. Should feel smooth. Three, 2, 1. Rest. All right, next up, jumping lunges. Get ready for it, and go. Try to stabilize yourself as you land. If you have a slippery surface like I do right now, extra bonus core workout. Just don't smash your head into that coffee table. Ten seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Plank saws. Looks like I'm having a lot of fun with the ground here. That's okay. Get ready for it, get in position, and go. 30 seconds. Keeping the core tight, not arching at the back. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Alright, you got squats. And go. Feet can be hip width apart or a little bit wider. Toes can be pointed slightly out. What I don't want to see is any butt wink. Your back rounding underneath the bum. Go as low as you can comfortably go. Keep the ribs stacked over the hips. Squeeze the glutes. No hyperextension either. 3, 2, 1. Final round. Catch your breath, because you're going to need it. You're going to go harder than you went in the first 2 rounds. Ready, set, go. High knees. Get those knees higher than the first 2 sets. They should be smashing into your hands, springing off through the toes. You only have 20 seconds of this. Get rid of all the remainder energy you have. Just dump it. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, rest. Alright. Have a sip of water. Get ready to kick your own butt. And it's go time. 30 seconds. Kick that butt. Literally had a kick butt workout. 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. 15 seconds. Mentally prep for plank jacks. Get in position. And go time. Keeping the core engaged. See if you can go faster this time. It's the last time you're doing it today. Four, 3, 2, 1. Catch your breath. You're going to need it for the burpees. If your heart isn't pounding, you're not doing it right. Ready? And go. As high as you can. Down and spring up as hard as you can. Three, 2, 1, rest. Get ready for it. And go. Keep it together. I know your core is tired. You got this. It's almost over. 20 seconds left. Four seconds. 2 seconds. And rest. But I never thought resting would feel so nice. But guess what? We're prepping mentally for jumping lunges. Okay, get in position. And go. Springing off the toes. Keeping the ribs stacked on top of each other. Oh, don't fall like I almost did. Nice and easy. We're wrapping it up here with 3 seconds. 2, 1, and rest. Plank saws. Last one. Think how tight the core is going to be after this. Ready? And in position, go. Give it everything. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Last exercise, we're going to finish with the squats. Mentally prep to give it everything. You should be burning those muscles. The heart should be racing. And go. Squeeze the glutes. Push the feet into the ground. Squeeze those glutes. Almost there, guys. 15 seconds left, and then you're almost done the workout. Squeeze the glutes. 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, everybody. You completed the workout. So if you want more customization or more workouts, make sure to check out our app. Head over to our site, turnfit.ca, and we'll help create our mission of creating a happier and healthier you. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you have any comments or tips, let us know in the comments below.